Are you looking to buy a home with zero down payment? You may have heard about USDA loans and VA loans, two great options that make homeownership more accessible. But how do you choose the right one for your needs? In this video, we'll break down the differences between USDA loans and VA loans so you can make the best decision for your future. Let's start with eligibility requirements. USDA loans are designed for rural and suburban homebuyers with moderate to low incomes. To qualify, your household income typically can't exceed 115% of the area median income. On the other hand, VA loans are exclusively for veterans, active duty service members, and eligible surviving spouses. There's no income limit, but you must meet certain service requirements to qualify. So, if you're a veteran or service member, the VA loan is tailored to you. If you're not, a USDA loan might be your best bet. And when should you choose one over the other? Here are some key factors to consider. Choose a USDA loan if you're not a veteran and meet the income requirements, especially if you're purchasing in a qualifying rural or suburban area. Choose a VA loan if you're eligible, as it offers additional perks like no mortgage insurance and fewer restrictions on properties' locations. The deciding factor often comes down to eligibility and whether the home you're looking for is in a USDA-approved area. Property location is a big difference between these two types of loans. USDA loans are strictly for homes located in rural or suburban areas. The good news? The USDA's definition of rural includes many areas you might not expect, small towns, and even some suburbs. VA loans, on the other hand, don't have any property location restrictions. Whether you're buying in the city, the suburbs, or in the country, a VA loan can work for you. Now, who can qualify for these loans? To qualify for a USDA loan, you'll need to meet the income limits for your area, be purchasing a home in a USDA-eligible location, and use the home as your primary residence. For a VA loan, eligibility is based on your service record. Active duty service members, veterans, National Guard members, reservists, and some surviving spouses can qualify. Unlike USDA loans, VA loans don't have income caps or geographic restrictions. Let's talk numbers, loan limits, fees, and interest rates. VA loans typically don't have loan limits as long as you have full entitlement, which means you can borrow as much as your lender approves without a down payment. USDA loans do have loan limits, but they're based on your area and income. Both of these loans offer competitive interest rates, but USDA loans require mortgage insurance called a guarantee fee. VA loans don't require monthly mortgage insurance, but may include a one-time VA funding fee, which is often lower than the USDA guarantee fee. The bottom line, VA loans are usually the better financial deal if you're eligible. How about refinancing? Both USDA and VA loans offer great refinancing options, but they do work a little differently. With a VA loan, you have access to the VA Interest Rate Reduction Refinance Loan, also known as the VA IRRRL, or sometimes called the Streamline Refinance. It's fast, simple, and often requires no appraisal or income verification. USDA loans also offer a streamlined refinance, but it's limited to borrowers who've already had a USDA loan for 12 months. VA refinancing tends to be more flexible and offers more benefits overall. So, which loan is right for you? It really depends on your situation. If you're a veteran or a service member, the VA loan is usually the better option thanks to its flexibility, lack of mortgage insurance, and refinancing perks. If you're not eligible for a VA loan but meet the income and location requirements, a USDA loan is a fantastic alternative for buying with no money down. Still unsure about which loan is right for you? Reach out to us today. Our team specializes in VA loans and can help you explore all your options so you can make the best decision for your future home. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more helpful tips on VA loans and home ownership. We'll see you in the next video.